Hey there, and welcome to the random Roblox outfit series, where each time I have to play a random game, and my avatar has to wear a more crazier, different, weirder outfit each time. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be playing the train horror, or it's like a train horror. It's another parody of the game we played recently, but now it's called Midnight Train. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this video. Or this game, sorry. In today's video, my avatar is just an avatar. The Roblox avatar editor is broken right now for some reason, so I can't edit my avatar a lot. Roblox has been broken off and on today, and I have no idea why.
Working here is really starting to get on my nerves. Never even liked working night shifts anyway. But it is definitely my fault for choosing this stupid job.
You can jump
I wonder
scare
what's been happening on the radio
39
lately.
Robux.
Warning. This is not a drill. A mysterious creature has been spotted in the area. The conspiracies were correct. Do not hesitate to report any suspicious activity you note.
Well, that's weird.
Great. Well, at least I heard it before this stupid radio cut out yet again. Anyways, I got a bad feeling about this night. Hopefully it'll be over quick.
Yeah, we can only hope. Enter the office. Okay. Turn on the lights. Here comes the train. Midnight train. Check the train schedule. Looks like everything is going fine. Wait for customer to enter. Here comes the customer. That's the same guy from the other game.
Hello. I'd like to purchase a train ticket to Paris, please. Whoa, that's very expensive.
It's literally a train ticket all the way to Paris. What do you
Whatever,
expect?
man. Here's the cash. Keep the change, too.
Right now I got this nasty bump on my tongue, and I don't even know how I got it on my tongue, but it hurts, man. I don't even know how it even got on my tongue, to be honest. I must have bit it and I didn't realize. Wait for customer to enter? Okay. Look at this woman. Assist the client with her purchase.
Hey, when did the train to Paris leave? Oh, interesting. Some guy told me it had already left, so he took my ticket.
That's too bad, isn't it? Dang,
Can I get it back then?
dang, I'm
I basically
mean.
got scammed, you know.
Do you have any evidence of it happening? Who stole it?
Well, I wouldn't lie about such a thing. Why would I even record me talking to a stranger? So, can I get refunded at the very least?
Nope, you should have been a bit wiser, lady. Jeez.
Ugh, this customer service is terrible. I'll make sure to let your manager know.
Urgent message. Police have came out and told us that the creature was located. It is currently heading towards a train station, presumably in an attempt to escape the city. Suspect is identifiable by the fact that it looks...
Okay, well, I muted the sound because it is that time in the video. Without further ado, and you know what that means, subscribe. I like to ask at the middle of the video because, you know, by now you've had a sufficient amount of time to determine if you want to subscribe to me or not subscribe to me, or if you want to ban me off the face of YouTube. It is your choice. I'm not forcing you. You can subscribe if you want to, subscribe if you don't want to. It would greatly help me if you did subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. I make high quality content, and it would definitely make me happy for you to subscribe to me. Anyways, I hope you subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Oh, that's a little too loud.
Ticket. Now.
Sorry,
For free.
I forgot I'm in the middle of the video, not the end of the video. That's what I said. That's why I corrected myself. Sorry.
Please.
I need it now.
Now.
What the
Any
heck is
empty
that
seat.
thing?
Any. Please. Thank you.
What's gonna happen?
Okay, fine. Bye.
What is that thing? Ew. Ew. That was weird. Later in the night. This place is quite a mess. Grab the broom. Clean trash. We're just cleaning the trash, guys. This is probably gonna take a minute to do. Here we go. trash. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Got one last one to clean right here. There we go. Clean the train track. Oh, that can only mean one thing. The ghost train. The devil's locomotive is gonna show up. Ah! I said the title in the thumbnail. I said the text in the thumbnail. What's that? Where'd you come from? You should get off the tracks. A train will be arriving soon. See you soon. Very soon. Bye, Lucas the Pineapple. That's a little ominous. That's a little ominous, my guy. Ugh. What even is it? Is it a deer with antlers, or is it some sort of anthropomorphic animal or something? Ugh. That was weird. She was asleep. Oh, he's asleep.
Oh, thanks. I totally would have missed it, haha.
Yeah, you're welcome. Just stay awake until it gets here.
Will do. Stay safe, man. I heard the creature is heading towards a train station.
The creature? Wait, so the creature controls the devil's locomotive? Wait for customer to enter. The customer? Where are we at? We're at 12 minutes, so we've got a couple more minutes left. We probably won't be able to finish this video today. I'll have to probably do a part 2 to it soon. Or play the rest of it. I think I'd have to go through all of it all over again, but... Look, there's the locomotive. There's the devil's locomotive.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, how can I help you?
I need a train ticket to Amsterdam, please.
Alright, that's $65. Be quick though, your last second and it's here right now.
Oh, well, I don't got enough time then. Just refund my ticket.
Just run. Wait, they didn't bother adding... They didn't bother adding passenger trains. It's just a diesel locomotive. That's weird. You can tell this game was definitely made for a cash grab. Hello, you've reached the midnight train station. How can I help you?
Hey, it's your boss. Just calling to check in real quick and let you know something.
Oh, hey. Yeah, the night's been going pretty well. How about you?
Good to hear. I've been well. But I wanted to tell you something. Tonight is really important. An incident occurred and I really need you to stay this full shift. It could determine what keeps this train station up and operating.
Damn. Alright, then I'll do my best.
All right, thanks. Knew I could count on you. Have a good night. Stay safe.
Watch, the deer monster is gonna come back again. I just know it. jump scare everyone. That's funny. You can jump scare everyone in this game, guys. Oh my gosh. We're so mischievous if we do that. Assist the client with his purchase. Okay.
Hello, sir. May I have a seat on a train to London, please?
Okay, so I'm confused right now. If this is in
All
the
right,
United
not a
States,
dent in my pocket.
if this is in the United States, then how the hell?
Also, I could have sworn I saw some suspicious man wandering around here.
Then how the hell can you get a train
It would
ticket
be a
from
smart
the United
choice to
States
check it out
London
and make sure you won't get robbed.
when London is literally overseas and there's no? It's not physically possible because there's no tracks built over water yet. Unless there's some conspiracy in this game. But if this is set in the United States, this does not make any sense at all because you physically can't take a train from the United States to London. You have to fly on an airplane because it's overseas. Check the outdoors. I feel like we're gonna get jump scared here. Goodness. Look, the little pumpkin right there. That's cute. Rats? There's rats. Oh my god, it's Ricky Rat's cousins. It's Ricky Rat's cousins. Purge the area of rats. What do you mean, purge the area of rats? Oh. Ew. Okay, that should be all of them. Okay, guys, looks like we're gonna have to take the trash out, and then that will be the end of this video. Unfortunately, because we've hit the timer mark. So, let me just take out this trash. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was up to your standards. I hope you enjoyed it. If you genuinely like watching me or hearing me and my commentary playing games, then do be sure to tell me, because I need that, because when you guys give me feedback, it tells me that I'm doing something right. So if you enjoy my commentary while I'm playing games, definitely tell me, or comment down below, or do something. Without further ado, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fabulous Monday, and I will see you guys in the next video. And I hope this was a good 4th edition to the series. If you have any game suggestions you want me to play for one of the series, it can be any game, just as long as it's not sexual or overly gory. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous Monday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.